Well, good morning everyone. Welcome to the second round of shows of Tony's Daily Bread. It's lockdown 2021. It's 18 months on from the first lockdown, and we've decided we'll do a few more bread shows. They seemed to go down really well last year, and so we thought, well, why not? Let's just do a few more. And it's also going to keep myself and Charlie interested over the next week or so. And so there we are. So today I thought we were going to do a pretzel, which basically is a bit different. It's not your normal pretzel. It's gluten-free and it's vegan, so which is exciting. It's a recipe I've been developing over the last couple of months, trying to find that chewy texture, which I think now we've got, and I'd like to share it with you all. So yeah, well, let's enjoy it. Hope you enjoy the shows, and nice to see you all again. Take care. Okay, so here we go. Gluten-free vegan pretzel. We've got some gluten-free flour. We've got some good oil from Christchurch. Fantastic extra virgin rapeseed oil. If you haven't got that, a really good olive oil's also a really good substitute. I've got some honey. A friend of mine up the road produces this. Fantastic, really nice honey. We've got some soft brown sugar. We've got salt. We've got baking powder. We've got warm water, and we've got dried yeast. Okay, so we're going to go in with the baking powder and the salt and the soft brown sugar. We're going to mix in the good oil with the water, with the honey. You might need to soften the honey a bit if it's a firm one. And then we're going to add in the teaspoon of dried yeast. Give that a really good mix. Obviously it's imperative, as I've said, that the water's warm, not hot. You don't want to kill the yeast. And then we'll add that water mixture into the gluten-free flour. Give it a good mix. It will get a little touch wet on you. All you got to do is just add a little bit more gluten-free flour, and then we're just going to knead that gently. Knead it for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then we're going to leave it to prove in the airing cupboard for around about 90 minutes until it doubles in size. Okay, so here we go. It's doubled in size. It's been in that airing cupboard for about an hour and a half. It's important. It takes a while to prove, and certainly what you don't want to do is rush it. So we're going to just nip him out, take him out. Now we're going to divide it into 8 pieces. So we're cutting it into 8. And we just roll them gently and then roll it out around about 10 inches long. Fold him over, double him over the back and over the top. And then we lay them all out on a baking sheet, greased baking sheet, and just give them about 5 minutes. So now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda into boiling water, and we're going to cook the pretzels 2 at a time for around about 2 minutes until they float and slightly expanded in size. We'll just dry them on a piece of kitchen paper, then back onto the baking sheet, and then we're going to sprinkle half of them with rock salt and half with cinnamon sugar. Then we put them into an oven on 200 degrees for about 25 minutes. When they come out, we're then going to brush them with the good oil. So here we have it. Really nice looking pretzels. Chewy, lovely texture. I've really enjoyed baking these. Hope you've enjoyed watching. Until we see you next time. And just a clip here as well. If you're worried about shaping the pretzel, then you can just roll them into balls like this and bake them in the oven. Same length of time, They come out and same delicious flavour. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you next time.